tout jette mort vitamin D. Vitamin D I a nutritac prevent a with variety of chronic illness, including several type of cancer. OV, most people are vitamin D deficient, because most food just are rich in it. The most abundant source of vitamin D I actually sn, but extended sn exposure is dangerous for skin health. Maintaining adequate level of vitamin D can be challenging, but rugged, careful sn exposure, en supplement use, you can reap the benefit of the important nutri. Tac vitamin D supplement. All to vitamin D is important for your health, no found in abundance in the food viat. Asush, no possible to get en nous vitamin D truc alone. All to you should look for food product for some of your vitamin D, supplement are important part of your health regimen for this scarce nutri source. Vitamin D supplement are found in two form of quantité, vitamin D2, ergo calciferol, en vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. Vitamin D3 it formed found naturally in fish and produced by the body when it metabolizes sunlight. Also to be less toxic in large amount en vitamin D2, to get more powerful form en more health benefit. Most experts recommend vitamin D3 supplement of D2 zone. Ask your healthcare professional for dosage en qualité recommandation. Make sure you a magnesium supplement along with your vitamin D. Magnesium is necessary for absorption of vitamin D, but depleted by the process. Taking vitamin D with to increase magnesium intake can lead to a deficiency. Opt for vitamin D2 supplement if you are vegan. Vitamin D3 is more complete, but it is derived from animal product. Vegan vegetarian may wish to avoid it, despite health benefit. Vitamin D2 supplement, ontotean, are produced synthetically using mold, and do not involve animal product at all. Improve your access to sunshine, with care. All to vitamin D is scarce in your food source, it is abundant in sunlight. OV, you have to strike a delicate balance between onug and too much sunshine, you don't want to burn or overexpose your skin. To find the balance, you can spend 10 to 20 minutes in the sun twice a week, with sunscreen on only your face. Alternately, you can spend 2-3 minutes in the sun several times a week, still with sunscreen on only your face. Either way, make sure not to bat for or after sun exposure. Be careful not to overexpose your skin to UV ray in sunlight. UV radiation cause skin cancer, resulting in an estimated 1.5 million cases every year. Avoid sunburn at all cost, no because they hurt, but because they damage skin cell in a manner can result in cancer growth. Continue to use sunscreen for all instances of sun exposure. You will likely take in some vitamin D while wearing sunscreen, but the ability to protect the skin from harmful UV radiation also decreases vitamin D production. Your skin de and even have to time for you to get on new vitamin D through sun exposure. Behavior of factor that might affect vitamin D production from sun exposure. Your proximity to the equator is also a factor. People WHO live close to it will have strongest exposure tant as WHO live close to the northern and southern pole. Your natural skin color can also affect vitamin D production, pale skin produce it more readily than darker toned skin because of low melanin content. Will you may not be able to change those factors, you can use what time of day to expose yourself to the sun. Ose the midday or, rate temps early morning or evening on. In the middle of the day, the sun is stronger, and you'll produce more vitamin D. Expose as much skin as possible. During those 5 minutes you're purposely laying out in the sun, donc over with long pendant leve. The more skin you expose, the more vitamin D you'll produce. OV, use your judgment. If you live in an area with very strong sunlight, such practice might result in burning. Behavior sun exposure is still given in full cloud coverage. Your body store vitamin D, so systematic exposure in the spring and summer can keep you safe all year. Yet food rich in vitamin D. Oui turno en nous vitamin D in anormal dietu satisfi urneid, you should titrit ou jet amush of it trug foda possible. The best natural source of vitamin D fish, including salmon, mackerel, tunac, en sardine. If you can stomach it, cod live oil also a good source. Dairy product like egg yolk can also have a small amount of vitamin D in them. Look for fortified food product. A awareness of the benefit of vitamin D spread, more and more company are adding vitamin D to food outer with will no good source. Read nutrition label to sweat or no a product have been fortified with vitamin D. The most common product are milk and breakfast cereal. Limi or caffeine attack. Study have shown that caffeine may interfere with vitamin D receptor and inhibit absorption. Because of the effect on vitamin D, caffeine can negatively affect calcium level in the body, since vitamin D helps absorption of calcium. Avoid overconsumption of caffeine heavy product like coffee, tea, and caffeinated soft drink. Try to take vitamin D latte in the day, such a lunchtime, and no with your morning coffee or tea. Use all of the suggestions to GT. Turn on nothing you can do to guarantee adequate vitamin D level. Research suggests that supplement are a effective source of nutrient a food, and yet food source don't provide no vitamin D for optimal health. The only abundant natural source of vitamin D, the SNA, is also incredibly dangerous in large amount, and can cause cancer. The best approach is to combine all three methods, supplement, sunlight, and diet, to increase your vitamin D level.